This project was so much fun to work on. We had the pleasure of working with the beautiful and talented Shenae Grimes Beach, and we were able to completely transform a room in her home. And I love this project so much. I'm still so happy with the way that it turned out. This room in her house really needed to serve a lot of functions for her. It was where she filmed a lot of content for her vlogs and for social media. It also served as a dressing room so she could be really inspired by her clothes and her shoes and accessories and have a place to do makeup and just kind of be really creative in that way. But there was one very sad little closet that didn't have a lot of storage in it. And then she had everything else out on like kind of big open racks. And, some of them weren't that sturdy. So just visually, there was a lot happening in this space. And we were able to help her work with her vision to transform it into something that was just so lovely. So we designed some freestanding closets. They weren't sure if they were going to stay in their house or move, so they didn't want to do something that was permanent and built in. So using the PAX wardrobe system, we were able to create a wall of so much storage that could hide a lot of the visual clutter and really allow the decor of the room and the gorgeous wallpaper to pop out and create, just a much more cohesive background, especially as she's filming. You don't necessarily want all that kind of clutter in the background. We also used some Billy bookcases with half solid, half glass doors to hold all of her shoes. That way we could kind of hide some of the sneakers and like more utilitarian shoes under the opaque part at the bottom. But then at the top, we could really highlight some of her really fun, gorgeous heels and boots and things. And then we also installed some accessory drawers within the wardrobe system so that she could easily find all of her jewelry and sunglasses. For the decor, we just used basically what she already had and made it a little more streamlined. We organized her vanity and makeup station a little bit better, added in a rug, and the whole room is just like a dressing room paradise now.